Welcome back everybody to another video on DIY behind the throttle. Today we got something awesome. We are partnering with FBINSE, a Apple CarPlay company, to bring you a new video today. This goes from a 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. And this is the box right here. I haven't even unboxed it, so let's jump right into it and see what actually is in the box and how we can install this today. Let's jump into it. So let's get this box opened up. Alright. Dang, look at that. On the very top, that looks like our screen. Pop it out. Very nice. So this is the 9-inch that FBINSE offers. They also offer a 11-inch. This is the one that I chose. I just think it's going to give it a more OEM fit. But yeah, there's that screen. Feels super nice. I mean, it feels like really good quality. Excited to get that installed. Next, wiring looms. These are always a lot of fun. Looks like they actually labeled everything for us, if you can see that. They labeled all the cords. So hopefully that is going to give a really nice, easy install. Looks like it will. And once again, another bag. They even offered and put in some tools in there for us. This one actually comes with a backup camera. I do have a OEM backup camera for this truck. It came stock with one. So I'm going to see if that works. If not, we'll go ahead and throw in the one that they came with. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the car and start tearing apart the old head unit. First thing that we're going to do, as soon as we hop in the vehicle, we need to take out this climate control switch pack. And so we're just going to use a couple of plastic pry tools, such as these, and we're going to get in there and kind of pop it out. Just like that. Pops out, and you're going to have two connectors down here that we're going to go ahead and undo. You don't have to be worried about those connectors because you literally can't mess it up with the switch pack. So let's set that aside. 4 10 millimeters underneath here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That we need to go ahead and undo. So grab your 10 millimeter socket and undo all 4 of those. Once we get those 4 bolts out, now all that we have to do is going to be 2 clips on the bottom of this and 3 on the top, just like the climate switch pack. So let's go ahead and get those off. There you go. Pops out. Nice and easy. Something that I would do now at this point is actually take a photo of all your connectors just to make sure you know exactly where goes where, just in case something was to happen. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. There is the last one undone. Oh, I lied. There's one more at the very bottom. Whoa, last one undone. So there you are. Pull the heading unit out, and let's go ahead and grab the new FBINSE. So with that wiring harness provided from FBINSE, what you go ahead and do, it's super easy. You just match up whatever connector from the car fits into the connector from the harness. You go ahead and connect. Like this one, I do not have one that goes into the new FBINSE harness, so we're just going to leave that guy out, along with one of 2 of them over here. Sorry, 2 right there. So not a big deal. We just leave those unplugged, and then all of these go into the head unit side. So the head unit has its own separate one. And you can see all of these right there. Those all connect into that harness that I was just showing you. And that easy. So what we go ahead and do now is just simply connect all of it up. So that's all the connectors connected up. Super easy. Might be easier with 2 people, but it is just me here. So I went ahead and got it all connected up. Now, just to make sure that everything is actually working how I want it to, I am just going to go ahead and set this however I can best. Kind of don't put it all the way in place, just for now. Go ahead and grab your key pops right up. Should have a backup camera. Oh, so that's what I was talking about, guys. I do have to actually use the backup camera from the kit instead of the one actually provided with the car. So I'm going to go ahead and wire that up. Again, not a big deal. And as we can see, we got all of our options here. That is pretty awesome. It is super slick, no lag, anything to go with it. So let me get this fully reassembled, and then we will go ahead and connect to Apple CarPlay, make sure everything like that works. I mean, this has got to be the best part, is peeling the plastic finally off this. Let's go ahead and do that. Woo. So nice. You can actually see me in the reflection. Jeez, that is awesome. Get turned on. Wow, look at that. I mean, truly, guys, this is a premium head unit for a really good price. If you guys want this exact one, which I highly recommend, use the link in the description, and I'll even put it on the screen right now. Use our description and our discount to get a better deal on these, because this is amazing. I mean, my Apple CarPlay already pulled up, and if I hit the home button, it'll take me all the way home, wherever I really want with this. I mean, this is just a super awesome. Has tons of things. I actually ended up getting the backup camera to work, so I did that. Boom, backup camera. This is amazing. Thank you to our friends at FBINSE for the amazing product and sending it out to us, and I'm glad that we could do an honest review for you. So thank you guys for tuning into this week's video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you on next week's video. Cheers.